Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing an Ulta haul. Basically, this is a little bit of a birthday kind of haul. I did get a Ulta gift card for my birthday, but I also did purchase a couple of things on my own, so everything is in this bag. I also did receive some PR from a really cool brand, and I also did purchase a couple of things from the dollar store as well, which is the Cute Bargain. You guys know I always post about them on my Instagram and my TikTok. So yeah, so this is a little bit of a mixture of makeup and a haul, but you guys are really going to enjoy everything that I picked up. So if you want to see what all those things are, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like GRWM makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you like the video, if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. Alright, so first off, should we leave Ulta to the end just to give a little bit of suspense? So we're going to get into the more randomy products first. Let me get reacquainted with what is in here. First off, let's talk about the products that were sent to me from this brand. This is the Blume brand. They have a lot of like skincare kind of products, so they did reach out to me. They told me, can we send you products? I said yes, so that's what we're doing today. So Blume, I think, can also be found at Ulta. Correct me if I'm wrong down below, but I believe you can. So this is their Cloud 9 blend of essential oils. Interesting. Okay, so that's the first product there. I honestly have never tried this brand before, and I think I've seen them at Ulta. It's just like, you know, my memory's not that great. Oh, so this is definitely okay. So this is the Cloud 9. It is a oil, so it is meant to, I guess, if you have PMS pains or whatever, you know, period pains. Basically, it says a mix of essential oils to erase your period problems. Interesting. Okay, so you get 0.3 ounces, 8 milliliters in here, and it looks really cool. So definitely, I am one that suffers from, you know, pains from that. It smells really nice. It kind of smells like lemon. Okay, I definitely cannot wait to try this. It does come with a rollerball kind of moment, so this looks really intriguing. I definitely was not expecting this. I didn't really look at the products. I just kind of threw them in the bag just so we can talk about them together, but I'm honestly really looking forward to this product. It smells really good, and I love the fact that it comes in a rollerball, so it's not too messy, and it smells really good again. So interesting. Next product we have is the Meltdown Oil for acne prone skin. That's how the packaging looks. I really love the vibe of their packaging. They're like really like cool, cute kind of colors. So I haven't even opened these, so I'm like getting first impressions just as you guys have. Let me know if you've tried Blume on yourself down below in the comments. I don't really go to the skincare section at Ulta. Let me know if you do. I just stick to more of the makeup. As you know, I do makeup finds on my Instagram and my TikTok, so that's where I spend my time, but not really the skincare kind of side. And I love that it has a little squeezy kind of moment. Okay, it is a dropper, and the product itself is like a greeny kind of moment, which I know green does combat the color red, or like redness of the skin. Interesting. It smells really nice. It doesn't smell like it's not like a pleasant smell. It kind of just smells like skincare. It's really nice. So I'm gonna see how this works for my skin. I do have oily skin, but what I've noticed is when I do hydrate my skin, when I do apply oils, it kind of does lessen my natural oils, just because, you know, it's not needing to give me the hydration. This kind of gives me the hydration that I already need, hence making my skin less oily. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if I said it right, but whatever. So for sure, I'm going to be using this. So thank you so much to Blume. And I believe this is the last product. We have the Daydreamer Cream Rescue Cleanser. This is definitely something I'm super excited about. I love trying out different cleansers. And again, I really like the different colors of the boxes. Ooh, this looks so good. And it has a pump, which I love when cleansers come with pumps, because when it does come in a squeezy tube, I feel like I just over apply it and I get way more than I actually need. So I love that it comes with a little pump. And this is the Daydreamer You Dream Cleanser Come True, and it looks like that. I'm definitely going to update you guys in an empties video on how this works out for my skin type. I also did go ahead and bring along the note cards, which I like poke my face with, but this is basically the brand, as I told you. I think that it is at Ulta Beauty, and yeah, so that's basically what they sent me, and you can find them at Blume or Blume.com. So next we're going to talk about the products that I bought at the dollar store, the Cute Bargain. I purchased 2 eyeliners, and these are both from, where are they from? From Amuse Cosmetics. I really love Amuse. So I went ahead and purchased 2 products from this line. They kind of give me vibes of the Awe Studio gel liners, which I actually did use one today in black, but I really love using these kind of neon shades just when I'm doing a colorful look on myself. So I bought the shade in mint chip and the one in matcha latte, which kind of matches my nails. So this is called their Never Melt waterproof gel liner, and I went ahead and took off the packaging. So let's see how this swatches. Hopefully it doesn't break. Ooh, okay, that looks so promising. It was super creamy. And then we have the, I believe this one here is in mint chip. Yeah. Oh, that one also looks so promising. I definitely cannot wait to try these out. Then I went ahead and picked up 2 liquid liners. So I have been wanting to try out more colorful liners. I always do. I like to buy them from Amuse mostly, but I do want to try some from other brands as well. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the liners from Simply Bella, and I went ahead and picked up this beautiful green tone. Hopefully it is pigmented. This is a waterproof eyeliner, and it says it's 24-hour wear supposedly, and this one's in color Storm. No, that's the name of the line, I believe. I don't know the name of the actual color, but let's see. Let me give it a look. So interesting. The packaging is like a square. It's definitely different from your usual liner. I really love that. So that's how it looks when it's open, and I did give it a swatch. It looks so promising. I love it. I definitely cannot wait to try it on the eyes. It honestly kind of exceeded my expectation. I thought it was going to be very light, barely there kind of product, but okay. So now I'm excited to see this one here, and this is the pink one. They don't really have any specific names to them, you know, but I mean, yeah, they have a lot of like very vibrant colors. So let's see, I went ahead and picked up the pink and the green. Again, these are their Color Storm 24-hour eyeliners from Simply Bella, which I've never purchased anything from. Again, that's how the liner looks. So let's give this a swatch. So when I first swatch it, it looks like light, but when I keep going, it kind of gets darker. So that's interesting. So there's a look at the pink and the green. Again, very pigmented. I'm really surprised. They felt a little watery, but let's see how they work on the eyes. I'm definitely gonna have to do another get ready with me using new makeup using all of these products. So I'm so excited about these. They definitely exceeded my expectation. All right, now we can get into the Ulta finds or products that I purchased. Honestly, I kind of forgot what I bought, so I haven't looked at this bag in a while. Okay, let's start off with the product that I got as a birthday gift. This is from Drybar. This is a Prep Rally Detangler Spray. So I did get this free because it was my birthday gift. So that's really exciting. Can't wait to use this. So the first product that I purchased was the Looney Tunes and I Heart Revolution kind of roller ball situation. This is a lip oil. So I did see these. I posted them on my Instagram. I posted a reel showing you guys all of the collection that they had on my Ulta, and this was one that was kind of hidden. Somebody hid it in the clearance section, so I was like, okay, it's kind of fake. All right, I found it, you know, whatever. So I went ahead and purchased it. Not something that I'm super excited about, but I think it's really cute. So there's a look at that lip balm or like lip oil with a roller ball. This is Sylvester, and this is the mango scent, and it does have a hint of a mango kind of moment to it. So really interesting. I'm not really, you know, super excited about this purchase, but I thought it was really cute. I thought it was fate that I found it or whatever, so I just went ahead and threw it in my cart. Next product was the NYX brow product. So I see a lot of people talking about this since it came out. It's very hyped up. So I thought, why not try it out? I really love trying out different kind of brow sets and like those brow soaps and stuff. So I went ahead and purchased this. This is the brow glue, and I guess it's just like amazing because so many people talk about this product. So I just went ahead again and threw this in my cart, and this is just a transparent kind of moment. I'm not sure if they have them in different colors. I don't think so, but oh my gosh, when this came out, so many people went crazy for it, and I hear a lot of people raving about this still to this day. So I went ahead and threw this in my cart as well. I think I used it once, and you know, it was nice. I just don't really remember what I thought about it. So that's how that looks. Comes with a little cute spoolie moment. I think it's really adorable. So definitely cannot wait to try this out with you guys on camera. I also threw this in my cart. Why? I don't know. I think I was just feeling the moment, getting a haul for you guys, but also for myself, because I've never tried anything from Revolution like that, like a primer or anything. So I went ahead and threw in the Pore Blur Primer. You guys know I have oily skin, and I love a little blur to the skin. Why not? It's, you know, I think it's fun, so I went ahead and threw this in. I love trying out different primers, so I thought this one would be a great one to try out. I did use it once before, but also don't really remember my thoughts on it. It's been a while, so I definitely cannot wait to try everything with you guys, so we could, you know, get some thoughts on it together and you guys could see it for yourself. So yeah, definitely cannot wait to try this. I think this is such a cute packaging as well, but also, you know, it looks promising. So from what I remember, I thought it was okay, but we'll see when we get to that time. Next, we have a liquid lipstick, and this one here is from Too Faced, and this is part of their new collection, or newer collection. This is the liquefied matte longwear liquid lipstick, and it is limited edition in PSL, pumpkin spice latte. How cute is this packaging? I thought it was adorable. I had to have it, and the shade itself is stunning. So if I can swatch something, I will swatch it. I'm gonna swatch this one here. I think this would have gone perfectly with this look as my lip product, right? I think this is amazing, and it's gonna work so well for the fall months. And again, let me give you a close-up look at this packaging. How adorable is the top? Look at that, so cute. I think this is adorable. I think this is gonna be a great gift for anybody's birthday or whatever that's coming up. I think it's amazing. It smells so good. It smells amazing. And let me give you guys a swatch of this product. So if you were wondering if you should get this color, I think this is a really amazing color. I do already own the orange one in Gingerbread Man that they came out with a couple years ago. It's amazing. So I really love that this one's a little deeper. It definitely isn't too like comparable to that other one that I have. I'm not sure how comparable it would be to Gingerbread Girl. Not sure. I don't really own that one, but this one here is the one in pumpkin spice latte, PSL. And it's amazing. It looks stunning. I think it's a perfect fall tone, and I love their formula as well in these liquid lipsticks. So yeah, definitely had to have this. So next we have another product from the iHeart Revolution and Looney Tunes collection. So this is one that I was excited about. I didn't end up picking up any of the eyeshadow palettes. It's just like didn't really call to me, but this one here is so cute. How adorable is this? And this one is a highlight palette. I believe these were like $9.99 at Ulta. And how cute is this? This is one that I almost used, but I kind of forgot about it, so we're gonna use it together. I don't really know anything about the formula. I think I've swatched it, but it does come with a mirror, and those are the tones in this palette. I love that you get a lot of different ones. Like, they don't really look the same, they're all a little different, so I definitely cannot wait to try this. Let's give it a swatch. Why not? There's a swatch of those highlights. And again, that's how that looks. They look really promising, so pretty. And lastly, this is actually something that was given to me for my birthday from my mom and my sister, and this is the Too Faced Teddy Bear Bear It All eyeshadow palette. So this is not super new, but I remember seeing this collection. I think they also came out with a highlight little palette with a little bear on it. So adorable. It was so random but so adorable. So yeah, this is so cute, and thank you so much to my mom and my sister. They honestly made this birthday very special, and I wasn't expecting it. So yeah, thank you to them. Shout out to them. All right, so there's a look at that palette. How cute is the packaging? You get the little bear on the side. It's so slim as well. It's like the perfect packaging. I love it. It comes with a mirror, and there's a look at the color story. It's so beautiful. I definitely cannot wait to try this. Like everything else in this video, everything looks so cute. So I'm gonna give some swatches of this palette. Everything looks so beautiful. They're so pigmented. I definitely cannot wait to try this. How beautiful is that? The swatches, yes. It'd be so easy to store, and like the perfect kind of travel palette is what I'm thinking for this one. It's so cute. Love, again, the packaging. It's not too bulky. It's just like the perfect size. And on the back, you do get the name of all the shadows. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end. So if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.